Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a platinum trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, adding some height as you can see, and sitting on some 20-inch MOTO metal rims, and some 35-inch TOYO all-terrain open country tires on there too, with pocket-style fender flares, bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear tires, and you do have power-deployable running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. And first, taking a look at the new feature, or one of the new features, which is the power tailgate. It goes down, and then you have the newly redesigned tailgate, which is rugged, has measurements on it, holes for clamps, and you have your 2 kilowatt Pro Power on board, so you can use your truck as a generator for your tools while working back here. And then 2 more clicks, and the tailgate goes right back up. And first, looking at the back, we have a nice full leather interior with seating for 3 and 2 fold-out cup holders and armrests in the middle, with 2 more right here, with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. Seats which can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. You also have front massaging seats, which are nice for those long trips. And now sitting in the truck and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here with a fully digital cluster. You can look at your trip 1 and 2 info, eco behavior, auto start stop status, driver assistance, fuel economy. Then you can also exit out of that and look at your specific truck info, such as seat belts, driver assistance, tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information. Then you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then looking at the left side, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and adaptive cruise control. Do also have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen for all of your apps and controls here, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, Pro Power on board, zone lighting, towing, power running boards, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, your parallel park assist, your hazards, traction control shut off, hill descent assist, and you do also have a premium B&O audio system in this truck. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and even a heated steering wheel so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector here for normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rut crawl mode, which is somewhat exclusive to some of the higher trim levels or specific 4x4 models. And you have your tow haul mode, eco, and sport mode on the other side, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right side of all of that, you have a 12-volt power outlet and 120-volt power outlet with this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box. Then moving down, you have this compartment, which opens to reveal a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible, just throw it on there and it'll begin to charge. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be folded completely flat so that you can fold out your mobile workstation. You have a nice flat surface, eat off it, do your work on it, whatever you want. It's pretty neat. And then of course you have 2 cup holders here and your center lockable compartment / armrest, which is very spacious and has a removable tray, as well as having another USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there too. And of course you have your platinum branding and badging everywhere. Looks very nice. Looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine on a nice sunny day such as today. Well, that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck with some nice upgrades, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.